Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
Welcome back to all my wisdom warriors. Uno know some have to come out early, and drop one pound this morning because where the Governor General keep up in a right at all. Hear this. King's House workers off the job since 2021 during the pandemic, Since 2021 over COVID-19 file lawsuits. King's House workers off the job since 2021, my viewers and subscribers. 2 public officers who have been hindered from going to work at King's House, the Governor General's residence, since October 2021 for failure to provide COVID-19 test results have filed lawsuit in the Supreme Court contending that their constitutional rights are being breached. Yes, man. What happened to these people? What happened to them? What happened to these government labor right people? Because everybody knows the Governor General are labor right. What happened to them? They always come up with some foolishness. So uno put the people them, uno make the people them work. The people them out of work since 2021, and now it's 2024 just because them never do a test. True, they never do the test result. Really and truly. King's House workers off them job just because they never do a test result. That makes sense? My viewers and subscribers, this happened from 2021. I never know about this. Anyway, them time them me never used to blog. I just recently me start blog, just other day. Maybe about 7-8 months ago, me start the blogging. You understand? But me always the behind the scenes, always, because I'm an engineer for a lot of big channels. You understand? Yes, me are the one who always I do the research and thing. Yes, for the 3 big channel. Yeah, man. Me just shown that the part there. So when you see me just come on, so me have lots of experience. And you hear me? Right there. So anyway, my viewers and subscribers, this is not right. King's House workers off them job since 2021. Since 2021, because they never do a test. They never do a test result. What is wrong with all these people? How can you lay off your work at them? From 2021 till now without pay. Really and truly. I saw Governor General, all them something here should not keep up. All them something here you should never keep up. Them something here is wrong. And I do not blame them. I do not blame them for send lawsuit against them. Yes, file a lawsuit in the Supreme Court. Yeah, of course you do the right thing. You're doing the right thing. Me say when me sitting at the paper, I have to come let you know what is going on, my viewers and subscribers. And I can't believe that. Pure things then keep up, during the pandemic, Pure things Andrew Holness regime keep up, and now you don't remember everything. All when Andrew Holness a charge for mask, 100,000, 200,000. I remember a lady there we always go up at Dana, was sick, have mental problem. Siloni. Yeah? She then charge how much 1,000, must be 100,000, something like that, them charge her. And she have mental problem. Or somebody who have mental problem, you should not charge her. But you then know, say, Dana get money in a galore. That's why you see them do all these things. And it is not right. Me tell us that they love money. How can you have your work as them? And you put off your work as them just because they never want to do, then fail to do the test. And you put them off for so long? That don't make no sense. Look from when pandemic gone and over and done with. Seriously? Some things what them do. You understand? Some things where these people do, they might get away with too much things, you know. They might get away with too much things. And Governor General, him not come out and talk when nobody get away with things. He might see him like them because, look, he might lay off workers. Workers lay off from FEMA residents, from Governor General residents. And he come out and he say nothing about nothing. And when it come to budget, you don't see him come out. You understand? And I feed them budget, I hear them mention nothing about healthcare. I don't hear them mention nothing about healthcare, my viewers and subscribers. You see, so I just point this out and show you the type of people we are dealing with. You see, Andrew Holness is working towards to be a president of Jamaica. Somehow, uno go on like una idiot. Uno remember what Andrew Holness did that try to do in the pandemic. Uno no remember. Uno forget. But wait, since as uno forget, uno go on, man. Uno go on. Because if Andrew Holness win the general election and him go stay on, Andrew Holness will be turning Jamaica into a republic. And then time there, you don't have no say. If you give you dirty water, you don't have to drink that backside. Me tell you. So when you see we come out, I try encourage you because we can see from a far distance and we can vision it. And we have wisdom. And we do critical thinking over here. This is why we are trying to encourage support so you can know what is coming. All the needs thing, where you say Andrew Holness do, Andrew Holness all have a trick up all for him sleeve. You think people are idiot? When I see him come in with the needs. When I see him come in with the needs, you know what I do. Because you want everybody to do the needs. Because take the needs. Yeah, and that you want everybody to take the needs. And soon I'm going to say, if you not do the needs, you can't go vote. It's a little trick. So when stay there, this is a man we go to any length. Any length. We know say him win the local election. It a mad him. It make him stress out. Yes, man, Mark Golding have them as stress out because they know say they don't win the local election. And you always know that. You know say Mark Golding win it by far. You understand? And Mark Golding come to do the right thing. He come to do the right thing because a lot of Mark ideas, 95% of Mark ideas, Nigel Clark thief it, and Andrew Holness thief it. Yeah, when I hear them get up, no, listen to them. When I hear them, Mark Golding ideas, then thief, and then come a hyper Mark Golding. Them just so stupid. Me have to laugh at all Nigel Clark. When he get red flag for, if he get red flag for Juliet Holness to step down, and that he need to do. The whole of the report, them where them a hide and delay and a hide. It is a reason why you see them a do that. I don't think so they just do that because them can't be bothered. It's a reason. You hear me? It is a reason. So my viewers and subscribers, you don't listen when the people, some people, propagandists, when they have a work for them, come out and chat rubbish, and chat about Andrew. Uno, they on the ground, what Andrew do for Uno? Really and truly, what Andrew doing for Uno, what Uno benefit from? Talk truth. My viewers and subscribers, I see him come out now and I talk about 6,000 Jamaicans living in extreme conditions. This is what he said. Prime Minister Andrew Holness says there are roughly 6,000 people living in what he calls the absolute worst conditions across the country. And him just know that in a 2024. Him just know that. When everybody come out and talk about it. When everybody come out and talking about this. Mark Golding and the first one always talk about them something here. Me I'll hear Damien Crawford come out before and talk about these things. So I look from when him in it from 2000. From 2013. 2013 in take office or 2012. About 12 years Andrew Holness in this year. And then in 2024 now. Andrew Holness just realize say 6,000 Jamaican living in extreme condition. Look on this. Speaking on Wednesday, the Jamaica Mortgage Bank ribbon cutting ceremony of the vineyards at Dennery in Kingston, the Prime Minister said the situation provides ample motivation for his government to continue investing heavily in housing development. Listen to this. Yes, we know say invest heavily, and Juliet. Yeah, una invest heavily for una development so una can sell it to investors and private everything. Come and tell you my viewers and subscribers. You see, if Andrew Holness really care about Jamaican people and say 16 Jamaicans living in extreme condition. And you only soon go around and a bill one little place, one little place when him ready and when him feel. You don't do that. You build up apartments. Build up apartments. So the people then can go live in the apartments. And that thing need to do. Me come and me say it all the time. Me come and me talk it all the time. Build up apartments and make it affordable. Make it affordable for people we cannot pay. You understand? So make it affordable. So the time when I build up big apartments and I charge how much million and how much thousands for them the apartment. It make more sense if you build apartments so where people can afford, my viewers and subscribers. Build up apartments. You just listen, you like to talk about apartments. You build up apartments. Look at this. He's building up apartments where cost how much million when sell how much thousands. Yeah? How much thousands people have to pay a month are sitting on how them do it. Yeah? Build apartments so Jamaicans can afford it. So when you see them go out and rent land and all them kind of something there and them something. No. You just build up apartments and you can charge them, say I go charge them 2,500 a week. I'm just saying a number, 2,500 a week or something like that. Or 3,000 a week. 2,500 a week. Build up nice apartments. And that you need to do. Why you don't want to do that for the Jamaican people? Why you don't want to do that for the Jamaican people? Una thief land for do all for food, do phone business. So and private. So private investors can come in and do as them like and do as them please just because them are investors. You understand me? Why don't you do something? Do something like this for Jamaican people. Build up apartments them where they can afford. And you charge them 2,000 a week. You understand? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, then pay 10,000 a month then. And that you need to do. But if you don't have a land, you can't get the house, my viewers and subscribers. So when Andrew Oldness are going like, if you don't have a land, you cannot get a little house for my bill. And number one, you have to live in the worst. You have to live like dog, like animal, before he even give you. Before he even give you. You understand? So this is why I say it is better. It is better if you build up affordable apartments. You understand me? So people who can afford land, if you buy land and rent land, you just make the apartment them affordable. So they can pay 2,000 a week. You get me? And they live comfortable. That is what you need to do, Andrew Oldness. So you're not ready yet. You're not ready yet. You understand? Because, you know, you see, you is a man, you're smart. And you use a brain for Jamaican people. Yes, man, you use a brain. So what you do now, when they behind the scenes that the way you do, you just come out and just build one house over there, so one little small over there, so you just do that to keep Jamaican talking about you, say yes, you do something good. But really and truly, they know say you're not doing nothing. The well-thinking Jamaicans know that you're not doing nothing for Jamaican people. You understand? And a time for you go, Andrew Oldness, because you're not credible. No, you're not credible. You are not credible. And you need to come out and apologize to Mark Golding for the way how you behave. On a stinking behavior when you have in a parliament. That stinking attitude, you need to come out and apologize to Mark Golding, because Mark Golding not doing nothing. All Mark Golding come out and do is start the truth. And it burn you. It burn you. You understand? It burn you, Andrew Oldness. And everything is conflict of interest. Because if it wasn't conflict of interest, you wouldn't have gone in your personal, emotional state and behave the way you behave. So, Mark Golding deserves an apology. He needs an apology. Yes, you're supposed to apologize to Mark Golding. Remember, say, if Mark Golding come with ideas, you can't implement nothing. You understand? Remember that. Remember, if Mark Golding come with ideas, you can't implement nothing. For hype up and I go on like your ideas, because that's what you and Nigel Clark do. Thief ideas. And that I red card for Nigel Clark. Red card for that. Thief Mark Golding ideas all the time. Una done spot. Una hear me? Una done spot because una not ready yet for Jamaica. Boy, you want to turn Jamaica in a republic. Call your face. Look on your face. My viewers and subscribers. See? This a man you want to turn Jamaica upside it down. problem. He want to turn Jamaica in a family affairs like it was will over to him. Jamaica was given to him like in grandmother or your mother and father leave it and say, unless this is for you and your family. No. You see, if this a man have to be president and turn Jamaica in a republic, him is going to be, him are going to be the president. And Juliet Owens are going to be the prime minister. Yes, that's how it go. They don't know goes cook. Me tell you no that. Not, did they make this a money a trick or no? But infrastructure. Pay private this and private ratted all that in my bill up. And uno na say, uno no, but private mean uno have to pay. Private mean uno have to pay. So it not help Jamaican people. He not bill up nothing publicly. He not do nothing publicly. You understand me? Build up public things. Stop talk about private because investors, when I hear me talk about private, because investors are invest. And sometimes them too are invest, them themselves. That's all them do. My viewers and subscribers, don't tell me what you think about this and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this. Taj blames procurement guidelines for failure to occupy lease properties. When I hear them something, I know my viewers and subscribers, they ever chose somebody underneath the bus and now then decide to go throw down to the guidelines. My viewers and subscribers, me have to laugh. Lord Jesus. When you can imagine, labor right, then thief so tail. Lord Jesus, Tax Administration Jamaica blames procurement guidelines for failure to occupy lease properties. Then go, hey, uno think say, Auditor General, no see this a guideline, yeah? Let me ask you a question. Uno think, listen, you see when an auditor audit something, my viewers and subscribers, me tell you now about auditing. Because I say me, I used to do auditing. Yes, I used to do auditing. Wherever you work, big companies, well, small companies too, but mostly big companies, you have to audit. And when you audit, you have to go through every single guidelines. You have to check everything. Auditor General, you go tell me say she audit and no ask for them guidelines. You think she wanna point out this? Listen to me, man. Listen to me. You can't believe, say, them a come up with now. I put the blame on the guidelines. They might put the blame on the guidelines and think that we are idiot. Only things that we are idiot. We are not idiot around here. We are not idiot around here. Because only knows that the guidelines they did. Listen, we are not idiot because only members of the building is owned to one of an MP. You understand? So you can use, listen, my viewers and subscribers, this don't make no sense to me. Then can use them brain. It's simple. Then can say, all right, Nad, or whatever one you want to name. It's true because you own the building now. All right, what we can do now? We can just take off our money and just share it. And we can just say, yo, the guidelines did it, you know. So we can just share it and we just follow the guidelines. That time I take them and take it right to the whole money, my viewers and subscribers. One of the things that we are idiot. That time them I take the money and through they know that this is in the guidelines. But it still not signify nothing because money appear out. You understand? Money appear out. So it's simple. Uno knows the guidelines there. So you can say, all right, we can use the guidelines then and back we up. So we can just take out this money and just share it amongst ourselves, allegedly. Let me put in allegedly. There's a point, but let me use it allegedly. My wisdom warriors, the thing when me ask, the question when me ask, why does it have to be one of them MP, JLP MP, at the owner for the building? Why they never go do it with somebody else? I better say they ain't go do that. I bet you, if the building then did owned by some other people, they ain't do this here. I bet, unless they have links with them. I bet you, this a man here, the man own the building. And they know so this a procurement guidelines is there. Yeah? So they can take out the money and share it amongst themselves and just say, all right then, we're not going to occupy it, but we can use it. And yam the money. You understand what I mean? And do what they want to do with the money. And then go back and go to the guidelines and say, well, that the money they gone down the drain because, you understand, we did have to pay for it because at the lease, You understand? Remember, we lease the property, so we have to pay for it, even though it wasn't occupied. Yeah, me don't know if we not get, if we not on the same, line, yeah, as me. We not on the same line, my viewers and subscribers. Remember, I want JLP MP Norman Dunn from St. Mary. Yeah, remember, him are the one who own the building. Yeah, he is the one that owned the building. They know that this procurement guidelines is in. Yeah, is in there. Yeah, all right. So what I'm trying to say, allegedly, I'm just saying what they can do. They can say, all right now, man. You see, true, you own the building now. We can follow these guidelines and name a food, you know. Yeah, man. We can just name a food now, man. So guess what we can do, you know? We can just take out some millions, you know, take out 3.8 million and say, all right, what we are going to do, we now go occupy it. You understand? But what we are going to do now, we are going to say, we are lease it, and but we're not ready to occupy it. And just take your money. It's simple. So when Andrew Owners come out and post on the platform, you know, post it on the platform. When the Auditor General come out and post the one before, so how much million take away, me not see him post that on the page, but him post procurement, procurement act. My viewers and subscribers, them not easy. You hear what me say? I ginal them. Them a ginal. It is all a trick. You understand? It's all a trick. Why they never use somebody else? Why they never use somebody else? What them don't know? Why them have to use the MP? I tell me say a coincidence? Why them never use somebody else? Why them have to use the MP? Nah, man. We own that the building there and give him that the money there. You think so we are idiot? Nah, man should not get no money. He should not get no money because he not occupy. You understand? And I said to you, they can do it the other way when me just explain to you. You understand? They know so the procurement, they know so the guidelines is there. So they can just say, they can just name a food and just say, all right, now I'll get a little cut out of the thing, you know. You see me? Hear this, and this way I go do, you know. Hey, listen, remember I said, you're not a top scammer, you know. Remember I said, Andrew Wellness is a top scammer, you know, my viewers and subscribers. Remember that, you know. He's a top scammer. So when me see the little youth, them a scam, yeah? When me see the little youth, them a scam, they not for really say nothing, you know. Because them are the top. Them are the top scammer. And Wellness is a top scammer. So me don't know why he might come out sometime and I bother the scammer them. Really and truly, me have to talk facts, because if the head of the stream a scam, where you think the bottom of the stream are going to do? Sit down and look on the head of the stream a scam? You must be joking. They're not going to do that. You understand? And for the head of the stream dirty, the bottom of the stream half a blouse and skirt dirty. And that is just straight facts. My viewers and subscribers, me just a talk truth. You understand? Me not say people forget scam. Get it right. I do not believe in that, but me just a give you an example. Me just a show you a point. Because if I can't have them a scam, what you think? What you think the bottom, the little man them and little woman them a go do? What you think enough girl a scam to you now? You stay there. Other day, one time I touch down, I'm go, I travel and I come back to Jamaica and stuff like that, and I say how the girl them a move. I say, yes, so no man alone a scam, the woman them scam too. The woman them scam too, you understand? So when I have to understand, if the Prime Minister do all these things, what do you think I got happen? What do you think I got happen? And the world knows a Jamaica best role that. And I like say them no know. Because they know say that Andrew wants to, because amount of money in collect when a hearing come out. All Babs Grange to collect money, 31 million Canadian other day. Minister she come out. She get 31 million to help the youths them of Jamaica. I mean not hear she say nothing about the youths them. I mean not hear she say nothing yet. So what really going on? Where the money they go? This is why you hear Dr. Dawes call for auditing, even in the hospital them too. He call for auditing. Right now, he might call for the Auditor General to go through the something them. Yes, and I think the Auditor General should take that up, because she know to. She knows because she have find them out. So she know to. You understand, Auditor General, if you hear me, I beg you, ma'am, to audit The whole of the contract them what Andrew only say he might pay 15 billion and 10 million. I want you, ma'am, to please audit them the contract there, because we the Jamaican people not happy with Andrew Onless. We're not happy with him at all. So we want everything to be transparency, ma'am. So please, we're asking you to take up Dr. Dawes' offer. Please, I am asking you. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, wanna tell me what you think. Put your honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome and big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.